to my channel. It's the girl Neisha, and if you're new here, welcome. Today is Tuesday, and Tuesday is what? And we know Tuesday is Patois Day. Yes, Patois. Patois. Alright? Jamaican language. For me, it's Jamaican language known as Creole. Alright? So Patois are the same thing as Creole. Yeah, you understand what I mean? I'm just a Creole. Yeah, because I still Patois. Alright? So watch this full video, and of course, thank you guys for the support already. If you have not watched the previous video before this, go and have a look as well. If there's any video you miss out, go and go check up on it now. Leave a comment, guys, down below about this video and what you would like me to do next or down the line. Remember to like, yeah, hit the like and up now, please, of course. And if you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe, then hit the bell now, hit the notification bell to keep in tune with my videos, and you will know when I put in one, because you get that. Yeah. All right, so with no further ado, we're going to go into the days of the week. All right, so boom, I'm gonna take it. And the days of the week start off with Sunday, right? Of course. But down in Jamaica, we say the same thing, same spelling, Sunday. Yeah, Sunday, the same thing. I don't know. I'm still wondering though, as of for day, if day, you don't just me to say Sunday or Sunday, or Sunday. Someone is Sunday. But you know, everybody have them all like a spelling different, because when I look it up, they still remain as Sunday. But for me, yes, Sunday, sorry. But for me, I think it's Sunday. That one here. If you think so with me too, leave the comment down below. But for you guys who are just learning Patois, you're gonna just take it easy with yourself, because you're gonna come into it, you're gonna say like, alright, this spelling thing though, it can be different, yeah, even in English language. All right, British English versus American English spelling. So just easy and take time. All right, just take time. So Sunday is Sunday. I say Sunday, so I think the end part, and it is Sunday. But there's no way that us Jamaicans leave Sunday as Sunday. But I think it's Sunday. As I said, if you believe, and you not believe, but if you know some truth to that, yeah. I'm looking down because I'm looking back on my prep notes. Yes, peeps, prep notes. So we're going to go as if you don't know the days of the week. Yeah. All right. So the next word is Monday. All right. Jamaica still say Monday. All right. So the Patois, there was no Patois for that, so we'll leave it. But for me, the reason why I still bring the day into the days of the week, because of the days of the week, right? But nevertheless, for me, I think there's a itch to it. But yeah, Monday, the same day, and it's days, Monday, so Sunday, Monday. But as I said, Jamaican, me here, cause me guilty of saying Sunday and not Sunday. All right. So of course, Tuesday. I don't want to hear me love here, you know. Tuesday. Because for some reason the Tuesday, them fling out the tea and then put one C in it. See, so far them fling out the tea, put a C, and then now them all double them show in that. See that down below, I'll double show up in that. Tuesday. Like you're chewing food. I don't want to say something, but you're chewing food, you're chewing gum. Tuesday. Alright? Tuesday. So with the Tuesday. Tuesday, Tuesday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So it's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Of course. And now we're going to take into Wednesday. Wednesday. Jamaica say Wednesdays. Then put all a Z up in it. It's so creative. We put a Z out where the Z no belong. Yeah, man, with we know, I tell you, say anywhere H no belong, and that's how we put the H. And anyway, the H for belong, we no put it in there. You soon know what I talk about, you know. Now the other Patois talking will come up in next week, Tuesday. Of course, you're going to hear a whole heap of niceness. I say, because I'm going to promise in the days of the week. I have to come up with it to see it, because I keep up to my promise. I love to take a pause. I'm a person. If I give you my word, you're going to get my word. But if I notice that you take my word for granted, I'm not gonna work with it. I'm gonna say that for say because a lot of times people promise you and they will break that promise. But for me, if I give you my word, you can say, you know what? Yeah, so I'll make sure I say, but come with it, don't you? It's come with it, so me I go need though. So remember, Wednesday. But for me, Wednesday. The same day, day. Day is day. Alright? Wednesday. So we're at Thursday. Thursday, we are take out some people now. We are going to invite some peeps in. No, we're not peeps, but a peep. Yeah, one. We are invite one. Because I don't know where that one you come from, but as we say, we put things right here, but we're so unique. We're so unique. Yes, so Thursday. See spelling there? And the word is Thursday. But we say Thursday. Thursday. Me I go down and market Thursday because I know say Thursday I market day and me really interested now what them I bring conquer. Everything right now kind of reasonable. I'm not talking about during the corona because everything in the corona seemed to go pan the clam eye for me no reason. So, I don't know if you know up a market pan Thursday. See how we. But the word is Thursday. And we said Thursday. Alright, so that's the patois. The patois is Thursday. And the English is Thursday. Right, so we did Friday now. You know, yeah, I just said Friday. A patois that. The word is Friday. We don't have there's no other way to say Friday unless you're coming in with something creative to say fried chicken, Fry, Friday, fry, or you can put on some Y for emphasize a fry. Yeah, for the people don't say Friday is a day where everybody love. I used to love Thursday because that's used to be my payday, but I used to be working, you know, at the airport, and Thursday was my day. I love every fortnight Thursday. That is the day I love. Yep, man. You cut your X out the X, the man go up a bag of things them, and then now working at a school at a college, my pay was on. It was a Friday. On Friday. Yeah. Yeah, it was a Friday, so of course, you know, yeah, you feel. I'm on Friday. I don't remember. I'm not busy about my pay anyway. I don't let me work there anymore. But, you know, Jamaicans have them day, them love. For me, I don't like Monday. Me not like Monday. Because Monday is the day when I not feel I'm supposed to do nothing at all. I just feel lazy and lousy when it comes on to Monday. If you couldn't have the same feeling, comment down below. I mean, you know, Monday is like it's a drag, you know, from the weekend. And the Monday is like one drag. But Friday, a party day. Friday, I chill out with the Friday. Friday, a fish day. You we go and eat fish. Either you go to Port Royal, or you go down a town, or you go. I don't know how have you run about. I don't know which part you're not going to eat on the fish. Comment down below. Or I don't know, keep on a comment like on my Instagram. I tell me where look and nobody not see me, you know. I know someone is shy. Believe me, I am not normally shy, but I don't know for some reason. Come out. Alright then now. So we're gonna take away to another day and then we finish. So we're talking about Saturday. Saturday. Me name go market Thursday, no, so me I figure go Saturday cause Saturday they might come up with a whole heap of stuff. So Saturday me, yeah, man, Saturday morning me I go man, me I feel good on there, me I go buy some things and some, yeah. So Saturday, me see you Saturday. Yeah, you can come to me here for me Saturday morning. Saturday. So Saturday. Alright? Patois is Saturday. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. You see me still I say about the day. Yeah, so that is that one I want me love, you know. Saturday. Alright, so Saturdays normally here in Jamaica, we normally have a soup day. If you don't cook soup, no problem about that, but soup normally Saturday. Wednesday normally stew peas day. And for those that don't know stew peas, because I say I'm getting some, friends around the world, thanks and welcome to my channel. Stew peas is not stewed peas only, we put meat in it. Some people cook the stew peas without the meat, but the irony first of it, what I call stew peas, you can put any form of meat kind you want in it, but originally country people put cow head, pigtail, beef. Now Kingstonian and other people change it up. Some people put chicken foot in it. So but the flavor change with meats that you added. Alright, so if I want something authentic, you have to, and to know about the rules, I would say try it out first with pigtail and beef. If you don't eat pork, then try it with beef. If you don't eat beef, then the peas with the stew, with the little roll dumpling. Yeah, but for me, I love, I mean, everybody have things that they love and they give up. But I'm taking time with myself because I'm working on me. And anybody who knows me, stew peas is my thing. My mother was my mother bad in the kitchen and she teach me. I want to, me I say. So it's a stew peas, pea soup. Yeah. So that come to another beautiful day ending. Yes, of Patois Day today, and I'm so thankful for having you here with me and for taking the time to watch my video. Please remember to go over my Instagram page and check out go over there, like up some pictures and follow me now. Yes, and follow my friend, remember A.R.T comedy. Go over there and support him now. And guys, I'm having a 20% discount. It finished actually this Saturday, which is May 30th. So support the team. For those of you who are abroad, when the support to the caregiver right now is by liking this video, thumbs up, share it with somebody, share it with somebody, and of course subscribe. Until then, be safe.